Hey guys, it's Mathinator here, and today I am showing you guys how to make a Minecraft Bukkit server. So this is like a tutorial on my screen on my desktop. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so what you want to do is download the latest version of Craft Bukkit, and by doing this, by getting that, you can go onto the bukkit.org and click on Get Craft Bukkit, and you'll come up here with a page. And if you're in Windows, you can download the recommended build there. And if you're in Linux, Mac OS, yeah. So you click on there, download it. I don't need to click on there, I already downloaded it. So it's here. So you just download it to your desktop. Make a folder called whatever you want with empty inside it, and just drag your Craft Bukkit into the folder. Once you've done this, you want to make a new text document. Doesn't matter what it's called, I'm just going to call it that for now. I'm going to open it up, and then you want to go on the site you just downloaded the Craft Bukkit from. If you're using Windows, it'll be here. So I want you to copy this right there, and if you're on Linux, you'll copy that, and on Mac OS, you'll copy this. Okay, so you want to go back to your notepad and then do paste, and you want to save this file, save as, and make sure this bar here is on all files. And then you want to call it run.bat, like so. Let's save that. And you want to delete the old text document, you don't need that anymore. So now you have your Craft Bukkit and your run.bat, which is the batch file. So what you want to do is just double click on your run.bat, and it should just start running your server for you. So it's doing the obviously it's doing the port, and then it's doing the spawn areas, which you can see, and it's just starting up for the first time. There you go, it's done. Once you've done this, you want to do stop. This is to stop the server. You never want to just click on the X at the top, otherwise it'll just mess up the server. So there we go. So now, as you can see, you've got all these files. You've got plugins, your world nether, the end, banned IPs, banned players, and you've got your Craft Bukkit, and you've got your help, ops, and you've got your permissions, and then you've got the server and your server properties. So I'm just going to have a look at the server properties here. The server port, if it said when you open the CMD saying the port is already being used, all you have to do is change this to a different number. So I'll just change it to 25561, and you can also change all this, so you can do game mode 1, max players. I'm just going to put max players like 600, to show you guys it works. And all the settings, and you just want to save that, and then you're gonna want to find out your IP address. This is without a Hamachi server, so this is non-Hamachi, but of course if you want Hamachi, you can go for Hamachi. But to find out instead of going on the sites, just to find out your IP address, it will change. Just type in ipconfig in the CMD, and then it will tell you your IP4 address and your gateway. This is your address, the IPv4 address, that's your address. So that's 192.168.1.5, it's mine. And then the double dot. So I'm just going to load up Minecraft. Sign in here. Okay, so you want to go on your multiplayer, you want to set up your server. So I'm going to do this one, which is a different server. So I'm going to edit this, and as you can see, that's my IP. Then I did the double dot, and then I did the port, which we did it in these settings, which is 25567 on here, but I changed it to 25561. If I click done, this should work. Actually no, sorry, I need to run the server, of course. So this is running the server at the moment. we go. And then if you go multiplayer, there we go, it says 0 out of 600. But if it did have 600 players in it, I think your computer would just like blow up. Just logging in. Yeah, they are okay servers. It depends how good your computer is if you're running it off your computer. So yeah, this is it. And if you do want to know how to install plugins onto your server, there will be a video in the description showing you how to do that, which I will put up later on. Yes. Yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and peace out.